Hello everyone. Today we'll see how to round numbers to a specific decimal place in JavaScript. We'll use the built-in toPrecision method to handle rounding precisely. Let's break down how this code works. Rounding is common in displaying data clearly. Here, we want to control exactly how many decimals appear. It is especially important for financial or scientific data. So how can we do this neatly in JavaScript? This function first extracts the integer length of the number. We then go on to check if the inputs are numbers and clean any signs from the integer part. Then we use the toPrecision with the sum of the integer length and decimal places. This controls the total digits and rounds accordingly. The key is knowing how many digits are before the decimal. Adding decimal places to that length helps toPrecision round correctly. We clean signs to get a pure digit count. This method rounds and formats in one step. Each example shows the function's accuracy. It also rounds up or down depending on the digit after the target place. It also correctly handles negative numbers. This makes it reliable for many numeric scenarios. Rounding is everywhere, especially in money and science. It ensures numbers look neat and consistent. This function helps prevent rounding errors in display, perfect for professional and user-facing apps. That is how you round numbers to specific decimal places in JavaScript. We use a clever mix of digit counting and to precision. They handle sign and decimals smoothly. Keep this handy for your coding projects. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.